Lovely engine now. This Bing, what is it, 10-12-2 from 1926. It's going to be running this small grinder, probably from I don't know, 1906ish or whatever. It's either a Dole or a Bing, don't know. But anyway, I think steam's up here. There you go. And off we go. You can see the wheel turning there. I've got no water in the tray there because I don't want to get covered in even more water than I'm getting covered in now. What a beautiful engine. It is in fantastic condition. Slow it down a little bit. And it's got a slip eccentric on here as well, so I can just flick it the other way. There you go. So the slip eccentric works lovely. The only thing I had to do with this was no, I didn't have to do that. That was a Bing Nora I did, screwed the base to. But no, this was nothing, just clean it up. Beautiful engine. It's even chuffing now. Put it the other way again. You can say, is there? Get a slow run out of it. How slow? Oh. Good whistle. Sight rolls around there. If I can get around the other side and show you. Lovely cylinder there with the valve on the side. You see it? Full steam's coming from. So this is we're running this nice little grinder. Lovely chuff coming from there now, out that valve. a lovely sound. A bit cold in this shed today, so it's showing up a lot of steam, which is good. I love that. Got the unusual brass flywheel there. I don't think I've ever seen one of those on a thing before, so I don't know if that's a later addition. I wouldn't have thought so, 'cause it all looks usual to me. It all looks as if it should be there, but who knows in the 100 years. That's a lovely sound. I keep going on about it, but it's a lovely sound. Right, we're coming up to 8 minutes now. I think that's probably enough. Let's take the little double burner we got here. There you go. That's done. Let that run down. And that's my lovely, where are we? My lovely Bing 10-12-2, 1926, and its small grinder there it was powering. Thank you.